Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your signpost settings in Where Winds Meet. Let's begin by opening the menu. Do so by pressing the escape key on your keyboard, menu key on your controller, or the key in the top right corner right here. Then go into settings. In settings, navigate to the other settings right here at the end. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Here, in signpost settings, you can show your own signpost. You can enable or disable it. Show other players' signposts. Again, you can enable or disable it. Show Xiangxu Wanderer signposts. And record defeated info. You can customize them however you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.